What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to Currency Counts, where I cover all things money. So the $1 million question, or maybe the $20,000 question, is can I buy a house making $10 to $15 an hour, which equates to roughly $20,000 to $30,000 a year? Let's find out. So to better understand how much mortgage you could potentially qualify for making $10 to $15 an hour, I'm going to go over what a lender looks at when going over your loan. So let's start with the low end of making $20,000 a year. $10 an hour, $1,670 a month. I'm using round numbers to make it quick and easy. So a lender is going to want your monthly mortgage to be under 30% of your monthly income. And as long as you have a credit score of 580, you can be approved for a mortgage of $60,000. Not a lot in this real estate climate, but it's possible to find a home in this price range if you're in the right area. I'm going to show you how to get approved for a higher mortgage amount making $10 an hour a little bit later in the video. But for now, let's jump to the $30,000 example. If you make $30,000 a year, $15 an hour, $2,500 a month, you could potentially get approved for a $90,000 mortgage, roughly $700 a month. If you want more buying power making $30,000 a year, I'm going to show you a few hacks how to do that. And it's the same principle making $10 an hour. First, pay off all your debt. Easier said than done, right? But it's going to be worth it in the end. Let's say you have a car payment and a few credit cards totaling $600 a month. You pay off your credit cards, now you don't have those payments, and you refinance your car note to a lower monthly payment. Just right there, you potentially added $10,000 to $15,000 to your pre-approval amount, because now instead of having $600 a month in total monthly payments, you brought that down to $250, which a lender now sees as you have more money in your budget for a monthly mortgage payment. Another thing is timing. Let's say you get approved for a $100,000 mortgage with a 4.5% interest rate. If you wait till rates drop just half a point, you're now approved for a $104,000 loan. Your monthly mortgage payment is not going to change. What's changing is the interest. So if the interest goes lower, you're now approved for more. Because lower interest, now you're going to be paying less on that. So your pre-approval is going to go higher. And check this out. If you manage to get 1 point lower, you're now approved for an extra $10,000. So instead of $100,000, you're approved for a $110,000 loan by really doing nothing else but being patient and playing the market right. And you might even be able to accomplish this not by waiting for the market to drop, but actually calling your lender, your pre-approval lender, and asking them if they can do anything better on your mortgage rate. I actually did this myself when refinancing my mortgage. I wasn't able to bring it down by half a point, but I did bring it down by a quarter point, bringing my monthly mortgage payment down by $50 by doing nothing else but giving them a call and asking them if they had anything better on my rate. This might not work if you're trying to buy a house soon, because as of this video, rates are in an upward trend. So next, we haven't even factored in your down payment. So for a FHA loan, you're going to need 3.5% down and a minimum credit score of 580. So on a $110,000 loan, you're going to need $3,850, less than $4,000 for a $110,000 loan. So that's going to bump up your pre-approval from $110,000 to $114,000. So you just got approved for a $114,000 mortgage making $15 an hour. And if you want even more buying power, we can show you how to do that. Just visit tomorrowhometoday.com or click the link in my description, because it takes the right lender and the right agent to get you in the right home. And as a licensed real estate agent, I, along with my team, have access to a network of lenders who are ready to work for you and your specific situation. And as a home buyer, there's no cost to you. It's absolutely free. So if you're ready to take that first step, visit tomorrowhometoday.com. Thanks for watching. Check you on the next one.